Lou. This is it. They'll be shipping us out soon. From the equipment, it looks like the South Pacific. This is confidential. So I'm staking this past the censor. We're on our way to the port of embarkation. They gave us shots for tropical diseases, so I know it's the South Pacific. Hey, Bud! Mail this for me! Can afford the terrible one. Buenos Aires in the port of Jumbo. Is there a postman in the house?
Technical ferry, first class, at your service.
You gotta get this to Sally Lou.
But have you forgotten the censor?
It's okay. We got a private code.
Well, if you insist. But I'll hate myself in the morning.
Now I can fight in peace.
Oh, a letter from my lover. Our private code. Oh, Mother, guess what? My snafu in a big surprise move. Bingo Bango Island. Big surprise. Don't tell a soul.
Bingo Bango.
A big surprise.
Don't tell. Big move.
Keep this to yourself, brother.
Yes, a surprise.
So snafu, bingo bango.
Calling Tokyo.
Help!
Calling Tokyo. Help. Oh, sa to, na hora ta to oi.
Be what we're looking for. Like I always said, every man his own censor.
Looks very good. On the whole, yeah.